Welcome back to Better Avec Bourbon. Today we'll be making my version of the Maple Walnut Old Fashioned using Canadian Whisky. It makes for a sweeter Old Fashioned, which seems perfect for the holidays. Be sure to serve in your favorite Christmas rocks glass. For ingredients, you'll need a good Canadian whiskey like Barefaced Triple Oak. It's a single grain Canadian whiskey that's matured in ex-bourbon American oak barrels, then aged in French oak red wine casks, and a new Hungarian oak. For me, the flavor profile sits between a brandy and a bourbon, which is a little fruitier than you might expect from a whiskey, but offers a lot of complexity. Alongside this, I'll be using Angostura to help intensify the flavors and cut some of the sweetness, Black Walnut Bitters to add a nutty component, and a Canadian staple, maple syrup, to add sweetness and complexity. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, mixing glass, and add 2 dashes of walnut bitters, followed by 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, measure out a 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. It'll be a bit sweeter than a normal old fashioned, but I treat this as more of a dessert cocktail, and I haven't met someone who doesn't like it. Add the syrup to your glass. Next, the whiskey. Measure out 2 ounces of Canadian whiskey and add it to your glass. Use a jigger that can hold 2 ounces or get fancy and do 2 reps of 1 ounce like me. Next, grab a handful of ice and dump it into your glass. And begin stirring well for about 30 seconds, but ultimately this part will determine how strong or how weak your cocktail will be. And this is a judgment-free zone, so feel free to hum. After you've got the dilution where you like it, make way for the Christmas rocks glass. Add a big rocks cube to your glass and gently strain in the cocktail. The color is gorgeous, the cocktail is sweet, nutty, and just generally rich in flavor. I think you'll love it. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season filled with good company. If you have a favorite winter cocktail, drop it down in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.